Struggling with insomnia or restless nights can be frustrating and detrimental to overall well-being. While there are various factors that can contribute to sleep disturbances, one often overlooked element is magnesium deficiency. Why magnesium? It is because, as per a report, 9 out of 10 adults do not have sufficient magnesium in their body, and majority of them are not aware of it. Magnesium regulates the sleep hormone. Magnesium is involved in the regulation of neurotransmitters that influence sleep patterns and the body's internal clock. Specifically, magnesium helps to regulate the production of melatonin, a hormone that signals to your body when it's time to sleep. Adequate levels of magnesium promote the natural production and release of melatonin, helping to regulate your sleep-wake cycle and improve sleep quality. Magnesium has a calming effect on the nervous system. It helps to regulate the activity of the neurotransmitter gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, which helps to quiet and calm the brain. Low levels of magnesium can lead to increased neural activity, making it difficult to relax and unwind before bedtime. This heightened neural activity can contribute to racing thoughts, anxiety, and difficulty falling asleep. Insufficient magnesium can keep you awake, disturb your sleep. Research has shown that magnesium deficiency is associated with various sleep disorders, including insomnia and restless leg syndrome, RLS. Individuals with lower magnesium levels may experience more frequent awakenings during the night, disrupted sleep patterns, and overall poor sleep quality. Addressing magnesium deficiency can potentially alleviate these symptoms and promote better sleep. So, how do you know if you are deficient in magnesium? While severe magnesium deficiency is rare, many people do not consume enough magnesium-rich foods in their diet. Common symptoms of magnesium deficiency include muscle cramps, fatigue, irritability, and difficulty sleeping. Increasing your magnesium intake through dietary changes is often the first step in addressing deficiency. Magnesium-rich foods include leafy green vegetables, such as spinach and kale, nuts and seeds, such as almonds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds, legumes, such as beans and lentils, whole grains, such as brown rice and quinoa, and dark chocolate. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can help boost your magnesium levels naturally and support better sleep over time. In addition to dietary changes, magnesium supplements are another option for addressing deficiency. Magnesium supplements come in various forms, such as magnesium citrate, magnesium glycinate, and magnesium oxide. Each form has different absorption rates and may have varying effects on the body. How does the air we breathe affect us when choosing a magnesium supplement? Consider factors such as bioavailability, how well the body can absorb and utilize the magnesium, potential interactions with medications or existing health conditions, and any specific sleep-related concerns you have. Some individuals find that taking magnesium supplements in the evening, about an hour before bedtime, helps to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Beyond dietary changes and supplements, adopting healthy sleep habits can complement efforts to address magnesium deficiency and promote restful sleep. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, such as reading or taking a warm bath, and creating a comfortable sleep environment with a supportive mattress and pillows, and a cool, dark room can all contribute to better sleep hygiene.